The presiding bishop of the Living Faith Church International, popularly known as Winners Chapel, Bishop David Oyedepo, says coronavirus would soon become a thing of the past in Nigeria. The Guardian reports that Oyedepo stated this while donating an ambulance and personal protective gears, PPE, to the Ogun state government to help in the fight against the spread of COVID-19 in the state. The items were presented to the state government at the governor's office, Okumosan, Abeokuta, the state capital, on Wednesday, April 1. Oyedepo said the gesture was part of the church's commitment towards ending the scourge of coronavirus in the state. The items were received by the Ogun State Deputy Governor, Noimotsoluko Oyedele, on behalf of the state. The Deputy Governor commended the church for the generous donation and reiterated the government's commitment to partnering religious organizations and individuals in the curtailing the spread of the virus. Earlier, Legit.ng reported that the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, RCCG, Enoch Adeboye, said on Sunday, March 29, that the current COVID-19 outbreak ravaging the world will end soon. The respected man of God said only those whose time has come will die of the coronavirus disease. Pastor Adeboye, who addressed his congregants via a live broadcast on a topic, "Peace, be still," said only those whose time had come would lose their lives to the current plague. There is no reason to fear, only those whose time has come will die, the former lecturer said. Also, if he is in your boat can never sink. But if he is not in your boat, who can you call upon when trouble comes? It is only in the family of God that there is security when trouble comes, the RCCG overseer was quoted to have said. I am also on a compulsory holiday. I was supposed to be in 4 nations this April for ministers' conferences and Holy Ghost services, but now I cannot go. All I do now is wake up in the morning, eat a good meal and enjoy the day. Is that not a good thing? Adeboye said. Is that not